You have to prepare all the work to go to your SGTs. It's a lot more self-driven. So you'll have scheduled teaching with your CTFs maybe like once, twice a week, but then you have to take the initiative yourself to book in sessions with your fifth years. You can have separate sessions with the CTFs, not in the whole, like half of the firms.
Right.
And then you have to organise teaching with your consultants. And it can be really easy to fall into I've had a really hard week. I don't actually want to have 3 teachings on one day. But you have to sort of realise if you don't have the teachings consistently each week, you are missing out on a lot of learning. So one thing that me and my firms did, we organised that we would always have a teaching with our fifth years on a Thursday, a teaching with specific consultants on specific days.
Yeah.
And it just sort of made it a lot more organised. So even though we didn't have the set timetable from the uni, we sort of made our own set timetable.
Right.
And I think that makes it a bit easier to be motivated to come in, get the learning done so you can actually go home.
Yeah.
Instead of it being November and then you realise, oh my gosh, I've missed out like 6 points in the handbook because you haven't made the most of your teaching.
And, you know, the teaching is so good that you really want to make sure you're taking those opportunities and making the most of it, like you've said. So I think that makes sense to try and organise it into a schedule yourself.